Here with Nancy. Nancy has already completed a few sessions of the spinal decompression with the laser, and already she's having great results. Nancy, tell us, what have you noticed so far?
Well, one, I don't have pain, and I came here feeling a lot of pain and even sadness because it wouldn't go away. Stiffness and burning sensation around my neck to the point where I had to be careful when I turned around to look at stuff. So I was glad that I came in here.
And it was a wonderful experience. I'm getting better and would very gladly do it again if I feel I need to.
Oh, I love it. I arrived here very much too much pain, and I think session 3 I started sleeping again after 3 weeks of no sleeping or nothing. So the improvement was it was amazing.
Awesome.
It's like life-changing.
I feel amazing.
It was phenomenal.
It was very easy, even comfortable.
I felt like a lot better. I could do the movements that I couldn't do in the beginning, and like almost zero pain.
Excellent.
You doing a lot better?
Yes, very much.
And it's therapy I've never experienced before.
My experience has been great. I've been attending the office for almost a month and a half, and when I got here, I was in a lot of pain, and within a month or so, I'm feeling a lot better.
Very positive, very positive. I noticed an improvement during the treatment, but definitely after the treatment, that's when I started noticing the most amount of improvement. It's just been getting better every week.
It's been excellent so far.
Awesome. And how would you say you've improved since doing it?
I've reached great improvements. I've got a lot more limber. I'm able to, my balance is better, my strength is better, and I have much more flexibility.
It was incredible. It helped immediately. Sure.
I thought it was great. I'm pain-free finally after all of the treatments, and it was the best option.
The experience has been great. Over time, I felt a lot of relief in my lower back, especially along the hip line. Usually getting pain due to a decompressed disc. But with the decompression, I've definitely felt a lot more relief, less pain, and just being able to be less tight, more mobility.
I would say it was really easy. At first it was a little interesting because it's this whole like stretching of the neck, but I would say after the first couple sessions I really started to feel a very big difference. I had horrible headaches going into it, and it's made a world of difference for me. I don't have headaches at all anymore, and my neck is feeling a ton better.
My experience was absolutely wonderful, better than I imagined it would be.
I felt much better. I had more mobility. I honestly feel amazing. Where it was locking out, now it's no longer locking out.
The actual results is what's amazing. I feel great. The decompression plus laser, can't beat that.
It's been such an amazing experience getting over my pain, especially when everything's uptight from the neck all the way down to my tailbone. It's helped me immensely.
Amazing. Since the time that I came here, you know, that I was in tears, basically. It went my pain from 10, now I don't have a pain, and it's amazing.
I really like the decompression a lot. I feel like if I'm sore beforehand, it definitely helps the pain to some degree. There's a noticeable difference before and after the decompression.
Oh, that's great. And so would you recommend something like this to people if they needed it?
Absolutely.
Yes, highly.
Highly.
Most definitely, I would highly recommend it more than neck surgery.
For sure. Absolutely.
For sure. 100% definitely.
1000%.
Absolutely, 100%.
Definitely.
I would definitely do it. It's immediate results, and it helps the problem in the long run. Feel better.
Absolutely. I would definitely recommend it. Give it a shot. You won't be disappointed.
Definitely, yes.
So I would definitely recommend if you want to do that over like a surgery. Definitely, yes.
I would recommend this therapy to other people. Yes,
Awesome.
definitely.
Yeah, I would absolutely recommend folks try it and give it a shot. I've been suffering for about 8 years, and this is probably the best relief I've gotten in a long time.
We will tell everybody, you know, to be aware of this, because what happens is that when you don't know that this exists, you know, but now seeing all my treatment and the equipment the facility has, you know, I am like so grateful with everyone here.
Absolutely, especially if you are one person who likes to be happy and likes to be active and work with joy and comfort. I recommend it highly. I was able to sit down and work at my laptop for about 45 minutes altogether, and I'm like, wow, I feel great. And that brings a lot of joy. You know, I like my job, but it was very difficult to do my job with pain, and it took a lot of energy to ignore that pain. And now I'm able to hone in on what I really like to do, and I was very productive this whole week. I'm very happy. I'm very blessed to have found this location and receive treatment.
Oh, that's great, Nancy. We love having you. Thank you so much.